I don't know what to say, really. 3 minutes to the biggest battle of our professional life. And all come down to today. And either we heal as a team, or we're gonna crumble. Inch by inch, play by play, until we finish. We are in hell right now, gentlemen. Believe me. And either we can stay here and get the shit kicked out of us, or we can fight our way back into the light. We can't climb out of hell 1 inch at a time. Now, I can't do that for you. I'm too old. I look around, I see young faces, and I think, I made every wrong choice a middle-aged man can make. I pissed away all my money, believing it or not. I chased off anyone who ever loved me. And lately, I can't even stand the face when I look at the mirror. You know, when you get old in life, things get taken from you. That's a part of life. But you only learn that when you start losing stuff. And you find out that life has this game of inches, and so it's football. And in either game, life or football, the margin for error is so small, one half a step too late or too early and you don't quite make it. 1/2 a second too fast or too slow and you don't quite catch it. Now the inches we need are everywhere around us. They are in every break of the game, every minute, every second. On this team, we fight for that inches. On this team, we tear ourselves and anyone else around us to pieces for that inch. We claw with our fingernails for that inch. Because we know that when the times come up and we put all these inches together, that's gonna make the fucking difference between winning and losing. Between leading and dying. Now I tell you this, in any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die, the one who's gonna win that inch. And I know if I have any life anymore, it's because I'm still willing to fight and die for that inch. This is what living is. 6 inches right in front of your face. Now I can't make you do it. You need to look at the guy next to you, look into his eyes. I think you're gonna see a guy who's willing to go for that inch with you. You're gonna see a guy who's ready to sacrifice himself for the team because he knows that when it comes down to it, you're gonna do the same for him. That's a team, gentlemen. And either we heal now as a team, or we will die as individuals. That's football, guys. That's all it is. Now, what you gonna do?